Today we are looking at a 2025 Alcom Snopro 101 by 22 foot box trailer plus the big V-nose. This trailer has got several upgrades. We'll start with the axles. The axles are 3,500 pound torsion axles with brakes on both axles. We upgraded the wheels and tires from 13s to 15 inch and the wheels to premium wheels. This one has a beautiful finish of a two-tone paint, white in front, charcoal gray in back. As you notice, it's got two fuel doors. As we walk up front, it's got obviously a drive-out ramp with ski guides, paddle grabbers on it, and our ramp door is kind of unique. It has got the ski, so when you pull your snowmobile out, it hits that and guides your snowmobile out. Round in front nose with nice diamond plate on it. As we walk around this side, nice white and charcoal finish. As we walk to the back, this particular snowmobile trailer, we added 9 inches of extra height. That gives you a 79 inch door clearance and 85 inches inside. So if you want to put a side-by-side or something else inside. As you can see, the back also has the paddle grabbers and ski guides. Inside, we have the slide track system with the adjustable D-rings. Those you simply loosen with an Allen wrench tool that comes with it, slide them where you want, or if you prefer the T-bars, we do have the T-bar systems available. And up front you can see inside it's got the breakaway battery and all electrical stuff's inside, nothing's outside. There is the tool for the slide track. Also, it's got a side man door, it's got LED dome lights. That's what this switch here is for. The two fuel doors. The flooring is advanced decking, Pack-Tite, several names are used for it. It's more resin than wood. I've had a piece in a fishbowl for 6 years. It's still hard as a rock. This light switch is for the rear, shall we say, spoiler lights. Let me show those to you. Up on top we put a rear canopy on it that has LED loading lights for at night if you're loading your sleds up. Of course, all the running light are LED, very lightweight, all aluminum trailer. Another nice feature on this trailer, to show you the quality of it, the manufacturer puts a limited lifetime warranty on it for as long as you own the trailer. Covers all the structures, water leaks, floor. Obviously, tires and brakes are not covered, and the axle is covered by the axle manufacturer. If you have any questions, please give us a call at Dayspring Auto and Trailers or go to our webpage, dayspringtrailers.com. Thank you very much. Have a great day.